Thread A waits for thread B waits for thread A classic deadlock. The most effective prevention: always acquire locks in the same global order across all code paths. If thread 1 grabs lock A, then lock B, every thread must do the same. In Python, you can enforce this automatically by sorting locks by their built-in id before acquiring. A simple pattern that makes circular wait physically impossible. When ordering is not feasible, use timeout-based acquisition. Python's lock.acquire accepts a timeout in seconds. If a lock is unavailable, release what you hold, back off, and retry. This breaks circular waits at runtime. For complex systems, consider deadlock avoidance algorithms. A resource allocation graph models which threads hold and want which locks, making cycles immediately visible. Dijkstra's banker's algorithm only grants a request if a safe execution sequence still exists. These techniques are standard in OS design and high-throughput concurrent services. The cleanest approach: eliminate multiple locks entirely. Python's queue.Queue handles producer-consumer workflows without explicit locking. Concurrent.futures and atomic operations remove many deadlock scenarios at the source. When locks are unavoidable, a lock hierarchy. Assigning numeric levels and always acquiring lower numbers first gives you fine-grained control with deadlock prevention built in. Consistent ordering, timeout backoff, avoidance algorithms, and lock-free primitives. Your 4 defenses against Python deadlocks. Like and follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.